Hello and welcome back to the Marble Corner. In the previous video we looked at the Cuboro Standard 16 set. In this video, however, we will explore the Speed set. This set costs around €120 and contains 16 blocks, intended to give the marble speed, therefore enabling it to travel faster and cover longer distances. As you can see, this is an extra set and it can only be played with one of the starter sets. As always, there's a list of contents on the back. This can also be found on the Cuboro website, linked below. In the box, we find a booklet containing information on the Cuboro system and sets and the 16 blocks. Let's build some tracks. All these tracks are built just with the Cuboro Standard 16 and the Speed set. I also use the boxes to make longer and higher marble runs, but you don't have to do this. As previously said, these blocks give your marble more speed. They do this by enabling you to go from the middle to the bottom in a straight line, or sometimes from the top to the bottom or from the top to the middle. With the standard sets, you could only do this by the full or the half drops, and you could only go from the middle to the bottom in a curved line. So this set really gives you a lot of building opportunities. The open slides can be used to let the marble change direction without needing to use half a drop, so you can use these in another place. And it also looks pretty cool. The speed set adds something very basic, letting marbles drop from the middle to the bottom via a straight path. This is something that I often missed in my marble runs, so if you're looking to get your first expansion, the speed set can be the perfect fit. Together with the tunnel set that lets marble change direction without losing any height, the speed set adds new building possibilities that helps you create longer runs, but without too much action. If you're looking for more action, the jump set, which I will review in a future video, could be a better fit for you. I can't really think of a disadvantage of the set. The contents can be found on the Cuboro website, so you know exactly what you're going to get. The only block that I'm not sure of why it is included is the marble collector. This expansion can only be played with the standard set, and every standard set contains a marble collector. That said, it can always be used as a building block, allowing you to build longer and higher tracks, so it still comes in very handy. In conclusion, this is a great expansion set. It gives you a lot of building opportunities that I really missed. So if you're looking to get your first expansion, definitely check out this set. If you like Cuboro, keep an eye out for my channel. The next video coming up is my review of the Cuboro jump set, and after that a review of the Cuboro Standard 50. So if you want to be sure not to miss anything, be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you again in one of those videos.